Born as Prince Siddhartha in ancient India, Gautama Buddha was destined for luxury and power. Yet, troubled by the suffering he witnessed beyond palace walls, he chose a path of renunciation, seeking answers to life's deepest questions. Under the Bodhi tree, after years of meditation, he attained enlightenment, discovering the path to end suffering. His teachings, centered on compassion, mindfulness, and the middle way, continue to inspire, offering guidance for inner peace and a more meaningful existence. Born in 563 BCE in Lumbini, modern-day Nepal, to King Shuddhodana and Queen Maya. Named Siddhartha Gautama, he was a prince raised in luxury, sheltered from suffering. Married to Yashodhara, with a son named Rahul. But everything changed when Siddhartha left the palace one day and encountered an old man, a sick man, a corpse, a monk. These sights shook him. He realized life is suffering and worldly pleasures are temporary. At 29, he left his family and royal life in search of the truth of suffering and the path to liberation. Siddhartha wandered, met spiritual teachers, practiced harsh asceticism, and fasted almost to death. But then he realized extreme self-denial is not the path either. Under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, he meditated for 49 days. And then, enlightenment. He became the Buddha, or the Awakened One. His realization, suffering exists. It has a cause. It can end. And there's a path to end it. The first teaching Buddha gave in Sarnath was the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta, the turning of the wheel of Dharma. He laid down the Four Noble Truths. Dukkha, life is suffering. Birth, aging, illness, loss. Samudaya, suffering is caused by craving and attachment. Nirodha, suffering can end by letting go of craving. Magga, there is a path, the Eightfold Path, to liberation. These truths form the foundation of all Buddhist philosophy. Buddha taught that the way to end suffering lies in moderation and mindfulness. The Eightfold Path is a practical guide to living ethically and wisely. Right view? Understand life as it truly is. Right intention. Commit to selflessness and compassion. Right speech. Speak truthfully and kindly. Right action. Behave morally. Avoid harm. Right livelihood. Earn a living in a just way. Right effort. Cultivate good thoughts and discard bad ones. Right mindfulness. Be aware and present in every moment. Right concentration. Deep meditative focus. This isn't about blind faith. It's about practice, awareness, and inner peace. Before enlightenment, Siddhartha had lived both extremes: excessive pleasure as a prince, extreme asceticism as a hermit. He realized neither extreme works. He taught the middle way, a balanced life between indulgence and denial. His teachings also emphasized impermanence, anicca, suffering, dukkha, non-self, anatta. These are not just theories, but tools to understand and overcome life's illusions. Why do Buddha's teachings still matter? Because we live in anxiety, craving more likes, more success. We suffer from burnout, comparison, and disconnection. We chase happiness outside, but ignore the storm within. Buddha's teachings offer mindfulness to reduce stress, compassion to heal relationships, detachment to find peace. Whether you're religious or not, these insights can transform daily life. Gautama Buddha didn't promise heaven. He showed a way to freedom. Right here, right now, he said, be your own lamp. Seek no refuge outside yourself. So take a moment, breathe, and ask, what am I attached to? What am I avoiding? What path am I walking? If this video inspired you, leave a comment. Which of Buddha's teachings speaks to you the most? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread wisdom, one view at a time.